All right, it's been cold out the last few days, so it's worked. I've gotten a few things done that I've been putting off. Here's my crop care turf foam marker kit. This is on the Steiner Sprayer, which was made by Roger Sprayers out of Canada. I really like this sprayer. It works great. Last year, after getting the 4500, I redid the switch on it to where it plugs into the auxiliary front 12 volt. And then by doing that, I can control the on-off of the sprayer function by the switch on the SDLA lever. Now, the only problem was with the sprayer pump and the foam marker pump at the same time, it's too much amperage to run both off of the front auxiliary 12 volt. So I came up with this idea. I made a battery box. I've done videos in the past using these ammo cans for toolbox, on trailers, strap boxes and stuff. This is a 50 cal box, but it's a fat 50 cal. I tried finding more of these. This was the last one I had because I use these things all the time for, like I said, strap boxes and toolboxes on trailers, but it works out good for this application because it's a little bigger. I just wired the pump direct. I used to have the switch up on the front, but with the Ventrac being a bigger tractor, the controls are further away. So usually when I turn the foam marker on, I don't turn it off until I go to fill the tank. So I put a switch here on the outside to turn it on and off. And then there's a voltage gauge here I put on, and the reason I did that is just so that I can see from the tractor what the voltage of the battery is getting. I think I could probably spray the whole yard on one battery. If not, I can come back and put throw another battery in it. It's not a big deal, but I can generally spray the lawn in about an hour. Since this is a closed unit, I did vent the can just for safety. I cut the handles and everything off this and painted it and opened it up. I put foam on the top and foam up here on the side, so if the battery would shift or anything would touch, I didn't want it arcing out. Just inline fused it with some of these battery clips, and then I got a little bungee cord I can strap the battery in. So it was pretty simple. Took some angle iron and put that across there. You bolted it to the bottom, that way it's sturdy, it won't pull the can away. I put a nice rubber mat down here so the battery won't slide. Used some PEX tubing, heated it up to make conduit so the wires don't get rubbed on anything, and then just hooked everything up with a terminal block to a switch. So pretty simple. Like I said, I'm hoping I can spray the whole lawn on one battery, but we'll see. Let me grab a battery, throw it in here, and show you how it works. All right, so the whole point behind it was, that's what's nice with having these wider ammo cans, is it fits a lawn and garden battery nicely. You could make a bigger box, but I don't have spare car batteries laying around, but I always have lawn and garden batteries from all these tractors and everything. So pretty simple. I can just hook it up and then close up the lid. Like I said, that tells me my battery voltage. I can see that from the tractor seat. And when the voltage gets too low, I'll just go ahead and swap batteries. But then just run my pump. When I go to put more spray in it, I'll just turn it off. And then when I'm all done, I can just pull the battery and it's over. Nice thing, another thing with this ammo can too is being sealed. When I, fill the tank with water, it's all waterproof and I don't have to worry about it getting filled with water. So I'll try it out. I do spray a few lawns for friends and family, and usually I'm only on it for 15 minutes to a half an hour, one tank worth. So I'm sure the battery's going to last long enough for that. But anyone has one of these sprayers and looking at options instead of running cords all the way to the rear of the tractor, it's just an idea I figured I'd throw on there and give you guys. So like I said before, I plan on doing a lot more videos of the 4500, and hopefully here I can do some more Cub Cadet videos as I get going. I've just been busy working on projects like this. So thanks for watching.